Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports USB OTG or USB-C host mode. This matters because without host support, the drive won't mount. Next, pick a compatible enclosure or adapter. Use a powered enclosure for high-performance NVMe drives to avoid power issues. Once chosen, format the SSD to XFAT for best cross-device compatibility, or leave it as is if you plan to use a dedicated app that handles other file systems. Now connect the enclosure to your phone's port. Once connected, use a short, quality USB-C cable to reduce connection loss and ensure sufficient power transfer. Avoid passive hubs with power-hungry drives. Your phone should show a notification that a USB storage device is available. Tap it, open your Files app, and grant storage permissions so you can browse. If the drive doesn't appear, install a file system driver app that enables XFAT or NTFS support. These apps bridge the incompatibility and give you full read/write access for transferring photos, video, and backups. You finish by copying or streaming files, then safely eject the SSD from the notification shade to avoid file system damage. If the drive won't mount, first verify the SSD's power requirements. Many NVMe drives need an externally powered enclosure or a powered USB hub. Swapping cables or using a different adapter often fixes it. Make sure the SSD is formatted to a phone-friendly file system like XFAT, and if problems persist, test the drive on a computer to rule out hardware faults before retrying on your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.